Airbnb is the world's most famous hotel booking, house booking platform. Do you also want to create your own website like Airbnb? Then check out our latest website where a customer can book hotel, space, tour, car, event, flight, and boat, and much more. And that's how a customer can easily choose his location, his check-in, check-out, adults, children, and much more. And he can search nearby available hotels and spaces and much more. So if you want to create your own website like this, watch this video till the end so you can get your own website like this. And yeah, let's get started. So this is our ready to launch website like Airbnb. You can see all the hotels and other listing over here. We will discuss in detail how this website works and how you can start your own business like Airbnb in no time. And that's how you can see all the available nearby spaces, tours, cars. So it don't just have hotels and spaces like Airbnb. It also has other features like booking events, booking car, and much more. And yes, it's a multi-vendor hotel booking, home booking platform like Airbnb. That means other vendors can also register their hotels on your platform. And that's how a customer can search a hotel. You can see the all available hotels like this. You can see hotels by location, check-in, check-out date, and that's how you can see all the available listed hotel. The admin can make some hotels as featured like this. You can see the hotel available facilities, ratings, prices. You can also see by price low to high, high to low, and much more filters like these. You can also see a hotel rating. You can also see a hotel by your budget like this. And you can also see different features of the hotels. And now let's click on a hotel and you can see the detail of this hotel. Photos, videos, description, what the features hotel has, what is the price of 1 room, 2 room, and much more. You can also buy additional services like breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can also see particular photos of a particular room. So it is having photos of hotel and then it is having photos of every room also. You can also see these icons to understand what is the details of the room, like facilities, like it has normal bed or king size bed, it has washroom or not, and much more. You can see by checking out the details of the room. And now you can click on book now and easily book a room on a hotel. Just like you see Airbnb, makemytrip, GoIBibo, all the hotel booking platform. So you can easily book a hotel. You can also choose that you are having how many adults and how many children. And according to that, the price can also change. So this is a hotel I want to book. So I'll choose the rooms and I click on book now. I can see how many number of people are allowed in a room, how many children are allowed, how much big the room is, and much more. And when I click on book now, I can enter my name, my phone number, my address, and much more. I can also see my complete order history. What is the payment I'm going to pay? Complete breakdown. What is my check-in date, check-out date, how many nights I'm staying there, adults, what is the additional fee. All of this is controllable by admin. So if you want to start your own platform like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. So our team can make your complete platform like this and start your own business like Airbnb. Now click on confirm booking, and that is how a customer make a booking on our ready to launch platform like Airbnb. And now this booking will go to the hotel owner and also to the admin, and they can manage your booking. They can confirm your booking, and then a customer can go to the hotel and he can have his stay. On the platform, you can easily book a hotel like this. Now let's understand the admin panel of the system. This is the admin panel of your hotel booking platform like Airbnb. If you are buying a complete hotel booking platform, you are getting a website like that. You are getting an admin panel like this and complete hotel owner panel, and also 1 year free technical support with free Play Store application. So you get everything: hotel owner panel, admin panel, website, customer app, Android and iOS. So you can start your own platform. The hotel owner and the admin can change the order status. They can see different locations. The admin can see all the listed hotels. He can change the detail in the hotel. He can approve them, reject them, and he can also see different details. He can also manage the rooms inside the hotel, and he can also delete the hotel if he wants to. Admin can also manage tours. From here, you can see all the tours, like tour packages also you can have inside your website. You can make different tour packages and you can make them details like this. You can upload videos and photos of the tours, and a customer can easily watch photos and videos. So you can make a particular tour package people can book. You can see the start date, and you can also see how many people are allowed in a tour, what is the additional things. And you can also see all the description, all the details of our tour. You can also see itinerary of day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So all the details are very good way explained inside the website. If you are having your own website like TripZ, you will be getting the hotel booking platform, space booking, tour booking, car booking, event booking, everything in one, just like the website. And that is how the space booking feature like Airbnb is working. People can see the videos of the place like this. They can see the reviews like this. They can also see the complete photos in different angles with amenities listed, like the space has swimming pool or not. It has how many washrooms and much more they can see. A customer can also book add-on services like lawn cleaning or much more services if he wants to book. You can also have a car booking feature inside your website. Car booking feature is only for admin. Remember, it is not for multi-vendor. That means only the platform owner can list his cars. People can book a car for particular number of days. They can rent a car from the platform. For example, if a person is going from city A to B, he can rent a car from the platform. He can see different cars. He can choose the number of cars he wants. He can choose pickup date, and he can also choose the drop date. From this date to this date he wants to book, and then he can enter his detail just like you used to book for the hotel booking, and you can make a booking. Easy to book car booking on your platform. You can also see different type of cars. Any type of car you can have. You can see the how many seaters are there, how many doors are there, how many baggages are allowed, and all of the details can be added. So it is particularly made for these particular categories. You can have cars, bikes, anything on the website. You can also see pricing, and if I increase the number, then the pricing will also increase. If I increase the dates, then the pricing will increase. So it will automatically calculate according to your starting date to ending date. A customer can also book tickets for events. So he can book event tickets if you want. You can upload events and people can book event tickets. They can see the complete details of events, like how many hours the event will be, how many people are already going, and much more. The website also have flight booking, but it is not connected with any third-party API. You can add your own flights as a detail and you can book them. The website also has boat booking feature. So you can add boats. If you are having a boat booking business, you can add boats and people can book it. If you are looking to make your complete website and application like this, where people can book hotel, spaces, cars, and much more, then you can directly contact our team. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your complete website and application like this. And you can launch your own business like Airbnb. In this combo, you will get a complete website like this, a complete admin panel, a hotel owner panel, a complete Android app, iOS app, complete source code, and 1 year free technical support. You get all the online payment options that are showing on the screen like PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave, Razorpay, and much more. You can also charge commission from the hotel owners for every booking, just like Airbnb. The website is multi-language and multi-currency, so you can launch it in any country around the world. You can also manage your you can also manage your rooms, and you can also see on the live map how many rooms are available on a particular date, just like this calendar. So what are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. You can also visit our website raunix.com, or you can mail us on this email ID so our team can help you the best and make your own platform like Airbnb.